happy birthday. Nagpapasalamat ako kasi pinalaki mo ng maayos si Rian. Pinagdadasal ko na maging maayos ang trabaho mo, lahat ng mga pangarap mo matutupad, at good health para sa iyo at sa inyo ni Rian. Maraming salamat, and have a great day. Bye-bye.
Rachel, happy birthday. Ingat ka lagi, nak, ha? Love you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday, Buleng. Ingat ka lagi. Bye.
Hi, good morning everyone. Due to my photosynthesis demand, Rian requested me to greet her mom, my niece. So here's my greeting. Buleng, happy birthday, and may you have more birthdays to come. I wish you all the best in life, your career, your love life, and of course, your family life. I know you sacrificed enough and you've done so much for your family to make their life a better one. So, tuloy mo lang yun. Maging mabuti kang anak, mabuti kang ina, at mabuting tao. Till next time, bye everyone. Happy birthday, Buleng.
Hello, good morning sa mga taga Bulacan, lalo na sa aking pamangkin na nagsa-celebrate ng kanyang 37th birthday ngayong araw na to. Kay Rizal Gonzaga, aka Buleng. So, hangad ko ang iyong kaligayahan, malusog na pangangatawan. Sana, ano man yung pangarap mo at mga gusto mong gawin sa pamilya mo, sa anak mo, sana matupad mong lahat ng ito. God bless you and I love you. I miss you all.
Hi ate, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Buleng! 50 ka na ba? Wala naman kami masasabi kundi mag-ingat ka palagi. Mahal na mahal kita. Miss na kita. See you sa birthday ni Marcos. Mwah!
Happy birthday, Mama Buleng. Ayan, ang wish ko sa'yo, Mama, is matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay. Lalong-lalo na kay Rian at sa pamilya mo. And sana mahanap mo rin totoong tao para sa'yo. And thank you, Ma, sa lahat po ng sakripisyo at pagmamahal mo sa amin dalawa ni Angel.
And yun, so nasabi niya na lahat. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo mama na thank you so much. And sana ingatan mo palagi sa sarili mo. Dito lang kami para sa'yo. I love you!
I love you, Ma.
Hi Ma, happy birthday. Thank you so much for everything. Sobra kong na-appreciate and pinapahalagaan lahat ng bagay na ginagawa mo sa akin. Yun lang, I love you.
Hi Doc, happy birthday sa'yo and more birthdays to come and see you soon po and thank you po sa pag-alaga sa skin ko.
Hello Doc, I just want to say happy birthday po. God bless you always, take care and enjoy your day. Happy birthday po.
Hello, Madam Rizal Gonzaga, Sandra Cordova here, Mr. Tourism World Philippines 2024. Wishing you a happy birthday. I hope to see you soon. More projects, stay pretty and stay healthy. Thank you.
Hi Doc Rachel, happy birthday and more birthdays and blessings to come. Banding na ulit soon.
Happy birthday, Ma. I'm not in Bulacan right now, so I'm just greeting you in the video, but I'll definitely make up to you. I miss you both.
Happy birthday, Ate Buleng!